Now we have to find the center of mass of the uniform semicircular plate. We have previously found the center of mass of semicircular wire. For semicircular wire, center of mass is 0 2r by pi 0 if we take the wire as per this configuration. It is x-axis, it is y-axis, radius of the wire is r, and this is the center of the circle which is at the semicircle which is at the origin. Then its center of mass is 0 2r by pi at 0. That means center of mass lies along the y-axis. Now we have to find the center of mass of semicircular plate. In the wire, mass was distributed over the length of the wire, while in case of the plate or the disc, mass will be distributed over the area of the plate or the disc. Now suppose this is the xy coordinate system and z axis is can be suppose is out of the plane of the xy plane. This is the origin, and origin is the center of the semicircular plate. This semicircular plate has mass m and radius r. Its mass density is total mass divided by total area. Area of the semicircle will be pi r square. It is the area of the circle, and for semicircle it will be half of this area. So it is the mass density. And mass distribution is continuous as it is distributed over the area of the plate. Therefore, we have to take elementary mass, and then using the integration and differentiation method, we have to find the center of mass of the whole uniform semicircular plate. For that purpose, we will use the already derived formula of semicircular wire. That is, we have to take an elementary ring of radius say small r, and this ring has the thickness say dr. So mass density of the plate we have already found that it is m by pi r square by 2. Therefore, elementary mass dm, that is the mass of this elementary ring, semicircular ring, it will be mass density. It can be written as 2m by pi r square. This 2 will be taken in numerator. And the area of this ring, its length is pi r, and the thickness is dr. It gives the area of ring. Therefore, elementary mass will be, common term we will cancel out, it is 2m by r square into r dr. Now we use the formula for the center of mass. X center of mass is integral x dm by integral dm. Y center of mass is integral y dm by integral dm, and z center of mass is integral z dm by integral dm. For this semicircular disc, x center of mass will be integral of distance. This is the x coordinate of the ring, is the x coordinate of the center of mass of the ring, that is 0. So because x coordinate is 0, so this center of mass will come 0 into dm by dm, and it will give 0 value. Similarly, z center of mass, it will also be 0 because z coordinate of the center of mass of ring is also 0. Now we have to find the y coordinate of the center of mass. It is equal to y dm by integral dm equal to y coordinate of the center of mass of ring is 2r by pi. Here r is the radius of the circular ring. For the elementary ring taken here, the radius is small r. Therefore, y coordinate will be 2r by pi into, and elementary mass of the ring elementary mass is 2m by r square into r dr, and it is divided by mass of the plate, semicircular plate, and mass is given is capital M. This capital M equal to integral dm. So we will write simply here m. Now one thing left is limit of integration. We have to include total plate. For that purpose, we have to take this r along the y-axis, because we are integrating along the y-axis, with limit r equal to 0, that is, this is the smallest ring at the center, to the largest ring at the outermost of the circumference of the disk, that is, it is y equal to r. Therefore, we have to integrate it from small r equal to 0 to capital R. And now we will integrate it. The common term will be taken out. It is 2 by pi into 2m by r square integral r equal to 0 to capital R, and remaining is r into r, this is r square dr divided by capital M. This n and m will be cancelled out, and on multiplying this 2 and 2, that is 4 by pi r square integral 0 to r square dr. Integral of r square is r cube by 3. So we will write here r cube by 3. Limits are 0 to capital R. What's the limit? First upper limit, it will be r cube by 3 minus lower limit, it is 0. And in simplifying, it will be r cube by 3. This r square will be cancelled by r cube and remaining only r, and we will get finally 4r by 3 pi. Therefore, center of mass of semi-circular plate, or say disk, is equal to x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 4r by 3 pi, and z coordinate is 0.